Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to update data using SQL command. So, like previous example, we have already created form. Click on the update button and let's code for the updating data. First, write query in string variable. Update customer must set name is equal to txt name dot text, city is equal to drp city dot selected value, address is equal to. At a time of updating, we have to write where clause. So define here condition where customer number is equal to 5. 5 is the customer number for Viren. So we are updating details of Viren which is entered into the text boxes of form. Now first open the connection of database. I am declaring one SQL command passing query and connection object. Like a previous example, cmd dot execute known query and displaying message in label that data updated. Now let's run. Writing name which is new name to Viren to Dhiren. I'm changing its city and writing address. Click on the update. We can see data is updated. So when query executes successfully, then and then execute non-query function will completed. So this is about how to update data using SQL command. Thank you.